Supermarket surprises. 10 things you never knew about supermarkets. A supermarket by its name alone implies a place where you can buy all your perishable needs like food and toiletries. The scent of freshly baked bread and fresh fruits greet you when you enter the main shopping area. You pay little attention to the layout. The feel of cold air coming out of the ventilation and air conditioning system appeals to you more than the store layout. If you are a weekly shopper, you come to this familiar place to buy the usual stuff and perhaps pick out a few items on impulse. Your regular trek to the supermarket has made you unmindful of the uncanny tactics that lure you into buying more than you came for. There are practices used in supermarkets to influence the buying habits of customers. Read on to pick up insightful information about supermarkets. Shopping carts are intentionally made supersized. The bigger the space, the more you'll buy. Shopping carts are not cleaned and disinfected. Handles are unsanitary with the multitude of hands touching and gripping them every day. The checkout counter lanes are designed to be narrow. Space leaves little elbow room to return or leave items in case customers have a change of mind. Magazines, choco candies, and batteries adorn racks immediately before the checkout counters as a way to seduce customers into buying them while waiting in line. Branded items are strategically displayed at the end of aisles, which are the prime locations in the supermarket. Distributors pay fees to reserve slots for their branded products in these end cap displays. Customers are bombarded with sale and discount labels on items paired together to show a semblance of a real deal. You don't really save on buy one get one offers. Supermarkets allow promo booths for taste testing of new food products. More than enticing customers to buy, the scheme is for shoppers to linger longer and buy more. Fruits and vegetables are not always fresh. They are water sprayed to project freshness under the soft lights. Also, when you tip the scales, these items sold on a per kilogram basis come out heavier. In the floor plan, milk and other dairy products are usually positioned at the far end of the supermarket. Freezers and cold storage of items that get rancid or rotten easily are closest to the delivery bay areas at the back of the supermarket. Customers never notice that the areas where their usual buys like bread, milk, and eggs are positioned far apart. It is a way to distract buyers and cover as much ground to see more items on display.